Hi there! In today's video, I want to share how to force someone to create a copy of a Google Sheet you are sharing with them. My name is Welmoed. I'm a tech virtual assistant and integrations and automations expert, and I love helping people who set up their funnels and memberships and courses online. So today I want to show you how to do that, to share a Google Sheet with your students and force them to make a copy of the document. So this is one from one of my own courses on automating your contract sending, which is very helpful if you're a service provider. It saves you a lot of time, and this is part of the process. So I want to share this document with my students. I go here in the browser bar, and where it now says edit, I'm going to replace that with the word copy. Then I copy the full URL, and that's what I'm going to share with my students. So let's see what happens when they click on that link. Here we are. It will force them to make a copy. So let's click that and see what would happen for them if they clicked it. It will open a copy, as you can see here at the top left, and it will now be editable for them as well as if it were their own document, but it is an actual copy of the one I created for them. I hope this has been helpful. Hit like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Bye-bye.